Morning, everyone. Another busy day ahead. Just got back from a late meeting last night.
Good morning, Alex. Rise and shine. I started my day with a sunrise jog and a healthy smoothie.
Hey guys. I've already finished half of my reading for today's classes. Early bird catches the worm, right?
Well, good morning, folks. I took my time savoring breakfast and doing some gardening. Retirement life is sweet.
The characters engage in a lively conversation about their daily habits.
Emma, how do you find the energy for that morning jog every day?
It's all about consistency. Exercise is my fuel, and healthy habits keep me going.
Speaking of habits, what's your secret for staying on top of your studies?
Planning and discipline, Sarah. I use a time blocking technique to allocate specific hours for studying, socializing, and relaxation.
Well, I have all the time in the world now. No strict schedule for me.
Lucky you, Mike. I struggle with finding work-life balance. Any advice?
Balance is essential, Alex. Prioritize your tasks, set boundaries, and remember to make time for hobbies and relaxation.
The conversation shifts to their favorite daily rituals.
Do any of you have daily rituals that help you unwind?
Meditation, Sarah. It's my daily dose of peace and reflection.
I should give that a try. I usually just binge-watch TV to relax.
And I sip on some tea while reading a good book in my garden.
The characters continue to share their daily habits, from meal choices to exercise routines, creating an engaging and informative conversation.
Thanks, guys. I've learned a lot today. It's great to see how different habits shape our lives.
Absolutely, Sarah. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and sticking with it.
I'm going to make some positive changes in my daily routine, starting with that morning jog, Emma.
And I'm just going to continue enjoying my leisurely retirement. No need to change a thing.
No matter how different their daily routines, these friends have found their own paths to happiness and balance. What are your daily habits, and how do they shape your life? Do let us know in the comments section.
You know, it's not just about looking good. Exercise has transformed my mental health too. I'm more focused and happier throughout the day.
That's interesting, Emma. I've always wanted to incorporate more physical activity into my routine, but I struggle with finding the time.
Sarah, you could start with small steps, like short walks or desk exercises. It all adds up.
And speaking of small steps, it's important to appreciate the little moments in life. Retirement has taught me to savor every sunrise and sunset.
Your support means the world to us. Show it by smashing that like button and subscribing for more exciting content.
Tell us, Mike, what's your favorite part of your leisurely day?
It has to be the afternoon siesta under my favorite oak tree. I feel like a kid again.
And for me, it's the feeling of accomplishment after a challenging workout. There's nothing quite like it.
Emma, how did you develop such a passion for fitness and health?
It started as a way to cope with stress, Sarah. Over time, it became a lifestyle. Now, I can't imagine a day without it.
That's inspiring, Emma. I need to find my own healthy outlet for stress.
Alex, have you considered a hobby? It's a great way to relax and unwind.
You might be onto something, Mike. Any suggestions?
How about painting or playing a musical instrument? They're both excellent stress relievers.
As these friends continue to chat and learn from each other, they discover the power of daily habits in shaping their lives. Whether it's staying active like Emma, embracing leisure like Mike, or finding new ways to balance work and relaxation like Alex and Sarah, they've all found what works for them. What about you? Do let us know in the comments section.
Incorporating exercise into my routine has boosted my energy and mood. Thanks to Emma, I'm on the right track.
I've started taking short walks between study sessions. It helps clear my mind, just like Mike suggested.
I'm so proud of you, Alex and Sarah. You're making great strides in adopting healthier habits.
And it's always a joy to see you two on your journeys to better well-being.
We couldn't have done it without your advice, Mike and Emma.
Absolutely. You've inspired us to make positive changes.
The power of friendship and shared wisdom continues to shape their lives as they embark on new adventures in their daily routines. What changes will you make in your life today? By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our fresh, exciting videos dropping every week. Join us on this journey.